こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make Somen Noodles in clear soup. You can make this noodle dish in less than 10 minutes. It's a perfect dish for a lazy day like Sheena's today. The delicate thin somen noodles incredibly match well with the flavorful simple clear soup. It's a super easy yet hearty and satisfying dish. Okay, let's get started. Means half a clove of garlic and a little piece of ginger. Finely chop 1 spring onion, about 20 grams. Place 400 milliliters of water in a pan. Add minced garlic and ginger. Turn on the heat. And once it's boiled, turn the heat to low. And add a half cube of vegetable stock and dissolve. Add half a teaspoon of soy sauce, a pinch of white pepper, and add a pinch of salt to adjust the flavor. Now, cook somen noodles. Somen noodles are very thin Japanese noodles made of wheat flour. They are required just a minute of cooking, have a mild flavor, and a silky delicate texture. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook somen noodles by following the package instructions, usually just 1 to 2 minutes. Stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Drain with a strainer and rinse under running cold water, tossing to remove the excess starch. Add the somen noodles into the soup and warm it up until steamy hot but not shimmering, and immediately remove from the heat. Transfer the noodles to a serving bowl. Pour the soup. Top with the chopped spring onions and 2 tablespoons of crispy onions. Drizzle with half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. And chili flakes if you want. De kita! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said. She's so happy that she can eat this delicious noodle dish with minimal effort and time. Now she's feeling satisfied and enjoying her relaxing time. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね。